Hello together, my name is Jonas and I'm working for the Electronic Assemblies development team. Today's video tutorial is going to be about unpacking the demo pack of the uniTFTs series. Today's topics are unpack of the demo pack, installing the drivers and tools for the uniTFTs series, opening the first sample project and download it to the module. Now we want to unbox the uniTFTs. We decided to go with the EA DEMOPACK RGB ANA. There are more available like DEMOPACK Connie for easy interfacing to PC, microcontroller eval boards or PLCs. Maybe you want to switch larger loads, then the DEMOPACK Relay is the right choice. The DEMOPACK RGB ANA contains a USB cable, a 40-pin FPC cable, the demo port, and of course the display EA uniTFTs028 ATC. It's a 320 by 240 IPS display. I'm now connecting the FPC. Please pay attention to the contacts. The display has a bottom contact plug. The second step is plugging in the USB cable to fire up the display. It immediately starts the pre-installed project to explore the DEMOPACK RGB ANA. On the first screen, the analog input is visualized with a voltmeter. As soon as I turn the potentiometer, the display value changes. Also, on the next page, the analog input is shown. On the last page, an external RGB LED can be lit up. The LED is controlled via the SPI interface. The color is taken from the gradient. The brightness is controlled via the bar graph. After playing around with the display, we want to install the design tool and the drivers. We find everything on the website. You find the link on this small cord here. We go to Support, Driver Tools Updates, scroll down to Tools and download the latest release of uniTFT Designer for installing. After the download has finished, we start the setup of the uniTFT Designer software. We click on Next, accept the license agreements. We want the Start menu entry and an icon on the desktop. Of course, we need to install the USB drivers as we want to download our projects to the module. With this short summary, we are ready to install. We wait till the installation of the designer has finished. This is the installer for the USB driver. We start the installation. Close driver installer and we are ready to run uniTFT Designer. For the first part, we want to start with an example. Select the uniTFTs series and we see a huge list of projects that explain the different functions of the modules. There's a short explanation text and a screenshot for each of them. On the mouse hover event, a short video of the project is played. I think we start with a nice diagram demo using the analog input. The project opens and we see the surface of the designer. We only want to see the project in the simulator, so we press Deploy to Simulator or use shortcut F6. The simulator represents the real hardware and we can play around a little bit with the mouse. So after looking into the simulator, we want to see the whole project on the real hardware now. We only need to download the project to the module with the uniTFT Designer software. Just press icon Deploy to uniTFT or use shortcut F5. After downloading process, we can see the whole project like the one in the simulator. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial about unpacking the demo pack of the uniTFTs series. Maybe you have time and play around a little bit with our sample project and enjoy our other tutorials.